If you've been searching for a budget-friendly yet dependable WordPress hosting provider, you may have come across IONOS. In this video, I'll walk you through the ins and outs of IONOS WordPress hosting, the features, performance, security, and overall value, so you can decide if it's a right fit for you and your website. So without further ado, let's get started. IONOS is a long-standing player in the web hosting world, recognized for its competitive pricing and wide array of services. From domains to email solutions, they offer just about everything you need to get an online presence up and running. But their attractive WordPress hosting packages are what seem to actually get many site owners in the first place looking for a simplified way to launch and maintain a WordPress website. IONOS has data centers worldwide, built for reliability and designed to support businesses of any and all sizes. Their WordPress plans typically come with built-in optimizations, such as caching and auto updates, giving you a more hands-off experience compared to traditional shared hosting setups. Nobody likes a slow website, and your visitors will click away, and Google won't be too happy with it either. That's why website speed matters for both user experience and search engine optimization. IONOS helps with this by using built-in caching at the server level, which is like giving your website a speed boost by saving commonly accessed data so pages load faster. Another thing that helps is IONOS' strategically placed data centers, mainly across Europe and North America. This means that if your audience is mostly in the US, you can choose a data center closer to them, cutting down on the time it takes for your website to load in the first place. If your business expands globally, you might want to look into a CDN or content delivery network, which distributes your content across multiple locations. IONOS doesn't heavily push a built-in CDN in its basic plans, but you can integrate your own or upgrade for even better performance down the line. Now, another consideration here is security. It might not be the first thing on your mind when setting up a website, but it's super crucial. Your website needs protection, and so does the actual system that it's built on. IONOS offers some pretty key security features just out of the box when you start using them. For starters, you get free SSL certificate with most of their plans. This encrypts data between your site and visitors, preventing hackers from intercepting sensitive info, especially important if you're running an online store. It's the digital equivalent of having a secure lock basically on your front door. There's also malware protection and scanning like server level firewalls, which work behind the scenes like a 24/7 security team, monitoring for any threats to your website. On the reliability side, IONOS boasts an uptime of 99.9% or better. I haven't seen really any other hosting provider promise zero downtime. Even the big names have occasional hiccups. But IONOS has backup power supplies and failover systems in case that happens. This means if one server has an issue, another takes over to keep your site up and running. If you're new to WordPress, setting up your site can also feel a little bit overwhelming. IONOS tries to simplify things with what's called its WordPress Assistant, which basically walks you through picking a theme, installing plugins, and structuring your website. It's like having a friendly guide helping you put the pieces together instead of figuring it all out by yourself. For more advanced users, certain plans include staging environments, which let you test changes before they go live in the first place. And if you're running a WooCommerce store, IONOS can also handle small to medium e-commerce setups. But if you're selling thousands of products or handling heavy traffic, you might eventually need a more robust solution with a little bit of extra support. At some point, you might run into a problem. Maybe your site isn't loading or you need help setting up a new plugin. When this happens, good customer support can make all the difference. IONOS offers 24/7 support through phone, email, and live chat. Phone support tends to be one of the quickest ways to get help with your questions, which is great if you prefer to talking to a real person instead of waiting on a chat reply. Their knowledge base also covers everything from setting up a domain to even troubleshooting WordPress issues. You can also, of course, find your answers on your own. Unlike some hosting providers, they rely on community forums, and IONOS sticks to direct support. The downside is that you won't find a huge online community of users discussing fixes and workarounds. But if you'd rather get answers straight from the source, their official support channels should do a great job. Now, another question is who should use IONOS WordPress hosting? This service is honestly great for beginners. If you're new to WordPress, IONOS' auto install feature and WordPress Assistant can help you get online super quickly with minimal setup confusion. It's also great for budget conscious site owners. And of course, it's also great for small businesses, freelancers, or personal bloggers. Now that we've gone over its features, let's talk about pricing. If you guys want to get started with IONOS hosting, I would definitely recommend using the link down in the description. It's a special promotional link where you guys can get a great discount on some of the best deals and plans that they have. Make sure to click that link down in the description, which should bring you to a page that looks like this. You can hit the get started button, which will take you over to their create account page. You can get started completely for free without having to pay. And if you want a more in-depth look at their pricing, this is what you're going to be looking at. We'll start, of course, with their free plan. This is going to cover the basics at no cost. If you're just dipping your toes into website creation, the free plan is a really great place for you to look. You'll get a basic site with a WordPress.com subdomain and 1 GB of storage and access to some essential tools. The only catch here is that your site will have ads and custom customization is a little bit limited here. Now, setting up next is their personal plan. So at $4 per month, which is actually going to be on the annual plan, and again, that's another great way to save money is by going with the annual option instead of the monthly option. It's perfect if you want a simple website with a custom domain name and no ads on your website. You'll also get 6 gigabytes of storage, priority email, and live chat support. You'll also have a selection of premium themes that you can choose from. Up next, we'll be talking about their premium plan. This is going to be priced at about $8 per month, and it gets you 13 gigabytes of storage, access to all premium themes, and advanced design tools like custom fonts and colors. The biggest perk for this is that you can start monetizing your site with ad placements and premium content. The next plan is their business plan. If you need more control over your website, the business plan starts at about $25 per month, and it's where things really actually start to get serious. You get 50 gigabytes of storage, access to WordPress plugins, custom themes, and advanced search engine optimization tools. This can help your site rank better on search engines. Then there's of course their commerce plan, which is more focused on online stores. This is priced at about $45 per month, and it's designed for WooCommerce marketplace stores. You can get everything in the business plan, plus e-commerce tools, payment gateways, and real-time shipping rates, as well as premium store themes. And then of course there's their enterprise plan, which really only applies if you're a huge business that actually already has a working website in place. If I were you and you were just getting started, I'd recommend either going their premium plan or their business plan. I'll go ahead and show you how to get started with the premium plan by hitting this blue Get Premium button. I'll create a quick account here. I'll then enter my credit card details, and just like that, I'll be ready to get started with IONOS WordPress hosting. If you guys have any questions about the service, make sure to comment them down in the comment section. Also, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Also, remember that the links down in the description are affiliate links, and we do monetarily benefit from them. So thank you in advance for supporting more videos like this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.